Who has seized the amount?
A police officer who seizes this amount. 2nd June, I come from Tavrikere with 3 crores my lords in cash accounted. 8:30 my lords. The police sub-inspector would register an NCR. He's gone. He seized this amount. After seizing the amount, does not report it, my lords. Sends notices to me for the purpose of negotiation. After which, my lords, when I don't agree for negotiation, my lords, the demand made was astronomical.
Well, I'll MOU ಇದೆ. Why is this policeman too much bothered?
This is a matter, my lords, where the court may have to view the conduct of the investigating officer very seriously.
We'll do it, sir.
No, my lords, may I just explain, because the interim order which we have sought is now, my lords, the amount which he has seized, we have asked it to be transferred to Canara Bank, my lords, where, my lords, what happens is,
Who has seized the amount?
a police officer who seizes this amount, kindly notice, my lords, just give me 2 minutes on the narration, what has happened
No
here,
problem.
my lords.
You narrate ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ look into
Yes, my lords. My lords, the petitioner, he has a business, my lords, where he had taken certain loans from Canara Bank at Tavrikere. The property was declared as an NPA. The security which was given was declared as an NPA. My lords, I write to the Canara Bank in Malleshwaram, and this one letter which I have written, my lords, the date may be noticed. 321, page 321, 29/5/2026. I write to Canara Bank that I would like to pay the amount and I'm going to be coming to Bangalore to settle the amount. This is acknowledged by Canara Bank on 1st June 2026.
What happened?
2nd June, I come from Tavrikere with 3 crores my lords in cash accounted. 3 crores in cash. I come here. I reach here at 5:30 in the evening. Once I reach here, the bank is closed. My friend, I ask him to keep the cash in his factory premises. Cash is kept. 8:30, my lords. The police sub-inspector would register an NCR under section 98 of the KP Act. Property which is not being satisfactorily accounted for. Now, my lords.
No. Where did he go and seize it or where?
After that, my lords, he gets an NCR registered. After.
Who gives the complaint?
No one. No information.
How does he get to know 3 crores ಇದೆ ಅಂತ?
Kindly notice what he says in the NCR. That's the reason I said, my lords, a matter probably, my lords, will have annexure A.
First, two things.
Yes, my lords.
Choda sir. Now you show me. You said it is accounted 3 crores.
Yes, my
Where do
lords.
I get that?
Please, my lords, annexure X. I'll show the entire thing accounted for. My lords, page 80 may be noticed.
80.
Page 80. 20th February 2026, 4 MOUs under which I received the cash to make this payment. Undisputed point of time, my lords. From page 80.
You have received by cash.
Yes, my lords.
All
Please
right.
notice this 4 MOUs. And the dates may be noticed.
Where do I get cash receipt?
My lords, page 80, 20th February is the date of that.
Memorandum
stamp
of
paper.
understanding ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
That is 12th March 2026.
Correct.
And then I received the amount. Kindly notice at page 82, 1 crore 4 lakhs. My lords should get that at page 82.
Which
loan
clause?
amount.
Which clause?
Clause 1, loan amount.
82 represented a loan amount.
Yes, my lords. Similarly,
1 crore 4 lakhs
Yes, my lords.
in cash
In
in
cash.
500 rupee denomination notes.
Similarly, 3 more MOUs. My lords should notice it, 3 other MOUs running till page 88.
MOU between whom?
Between, my lords, the lenders who gave me that amount for me to pay the amount to Canara Bank.
Who are
to
they?
Release. My lords, my acquaintances in agriculturists in Tavrikere, but at an undisputed point of time.
Tavrekere.
Tavrikere. So, my lords, 4 MOUs plus cash vouchers, everything accounted for the money that I withdrawn from the bank. Now you kindly notice how this law is set in motion in annexure.
No, I'm only surprised. You give it to your friend. Whatever amount you had, you give it to your friend.
Here at
How
Bangalore.
does the police get to know?
That's most interesting, my lords. Annexure A, please notice the NCR with the register. Annexure A.
So moto?
Yes. My lords, they say, Baptidararinda. This is information. Kindly notice, my lords, 2/6, and this happens post 8 p.m.
Oh, idu.
And for which one, section 98, possession of property of which no satisfactory account can be given. He registers this.
Idu problem with your friend. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗೌಪ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ-
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
My
ಆಗಿದೆ.
lords, kindly notice what he does. He goes to the magistrate concerned. Order of the magistrate, please notice at page 27. I am permitting you to conduct raid. Order may be noticed. I am allowing you to conduct raid. All right.
ಅಲ್ಲ, in the NCR.
In the NCR, actually, my lords, for registration of FIR and investigation, that's a permission that has to be granted
Raid-
because
raid
it is a
here.
non-cognizable.
Correct.
But permission, conduct raid. All right. He is gone. He seized this amount. After seizing the amount, does not report it, my lords. Sends notices to me for the purpose of negotiation.
Where is that?
My lords, notice, please notice, my lords, on 9th and 12th, 2 notices given to me. My lords, page 45 and 46 are the notices sent to me. After which, my lords, when I don't agree for negotiation,
One
report,
ನಿಮಿಷ. 45 ಏನು?
45 is notice dated 9/6/2026. My lords gets that
ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
to come, basically notice to come to the station. 12th ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು notice, my lords, page 46. And when I don't agree for negotiation,
ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅವಾಗ?
second,
offense?
offense second,
What offense? 98.
98. And then, my lords, kindly notice, after this, my lords, when I don't agree,
98 is cognizable?
non-cognizable.
35(3) ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ?
My lord, FIR ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ.
FIR ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ನಂತರ he does an FIR, my lords, and then please notice, my lords, 46 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು notice.
notice is issued after FIR.
And then when I don't agree, my lords, this is reported to the magistrate on 12th. So you register FIR on 2nd, seize the property on 2nd.
Reporting is on 12th.
Reporting on 12th. When my lords, the demand made was astronomical. I told them I have to give it to the bank. It's been declared as non, and every day, my lords, we are incurring interest on that.
ಏನು surface proceedings are issued?
How?
Where is
How?
it?
My lords, if my lords would notice in my letter itself, my lords, kindly notice page 321, my lords. 321. My letter to the bank, it explains the whole details when it was declared as NPA and when surface demands are done at paragraph 3, page 321.
ಈಗ ಯಾರ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇದು?
They still have that money, my lords. Money is with them.
Police.
Police, and my property will be brought up to auction by the Canara Bank. I have asked, my lords, as an interim prayer, I don't want the money. Give it to Canara Bank.
Yes, police, give it to Canara Bank. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಳು ಆಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. ಈಗ he is 3 crores, he will explain it to the income tax.
My lords, after I filed this petition, paperally about this comes and they say now we have informed income tax authorities, the investigating officers. Now income tax authorities, my lords, sent notices, we have explained to them. They are satisfied with it. Soon probably they will close the proceedings.
So whatever it is, now this 3 crores will not go to you, it will go to the
It will
bank.
go to the bank, my lords. I have to save my property. Entire amount was brought to give it to the bank.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ MOU ಇದೆ.
Yes.
Satisfactory explanation ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, income tax will take care. Why is this policeman too much bothered?
Let's say MOU for only a 1 crore. The remaining amount, let's say.
4 MOU ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
4 ಇದೆ, my lords. 4 MOUs.
4 MOUs for 1 crore each, is it?
Yes.
My lords, and cash vouchers, both are there, which we withdrew from the bank to give it. And how do you?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೇನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ.
Yes.
Bank
ಇವ್ರ
could be,
ಸಾಲಕ್ಕೆ
my
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ.
And my lords, registering it under 98 satisfactorily account for where
We'll
will they call me?
deal with that later.
My lords, please.
First you save your property.
Please.
As the hearing progressed, the court examined a case involving the seizure of nearly rupees 2 crore 98 lakhs that the petitioner claimed had been withdrawn to settle an NPA loan with Canara Bank. According to the petitioner, the bank had already closed by the time he reached Bangalore, forcing him to leave the cash with a friend until the next working day. It was after this that the police registered a non-cognizable report and seized the money. During the proceedings, counsel alleged that the investigating officer had acted improperly while handling the cash and further claimed that the notice were later issued to the petitioner for so-called negotiation, suggesting an attempt to seek illegal gratification. The court expressed serious concerns over these allegations and closely examined the circumstances surrounding the seizure. To safeguard the petitioner's property from being auctioned, the bench directed the investigating officer to deposit the entire seized amount of rupees 2 crore 98 lakhs directly into the petitioner's loan account with Canara Bank. At the same time, the court made it clear that none of the seized money should be handed over to the petitioner personally, ensuring that it was used only for clearing the outstanding bank liability.